Hey, sixth graders, I'm not going to be with you today, so remember you have a guest in your room and you need to treat them with the utmost respect, being good listeners and being kind. You are going to go on a scavenger hunt today, so by this time you should be done with your warm-up slide. That means your desk should be organized, Math Racer, and my people who are on Math 7, that should be done, and then you should have had some time to work on Study Island. Now you get to go on a scavenger hunt. You and one other person, depending on the numbers in the class, we might have to have groups of 3, you and one other person need to solve 12 math problems around the room. You need to find 12 animals, and those animals need to be said or need to be written down in a specific order. First, in your math notebook, find the next clean page behind our Algebra Part 2 scale. Remember, it's a salmon color. I want you on that clean page to make a chart that is 4 by 3. I'm going to show you mine now. Here's what you're going to draw in your notebook. Notice it is 4 by 3. Each one of these is going to be where you'll solve one math problem. So this box will be devoted to my first math problem. This box will be devoted to my second. So you and your partner or partners are going to start at any of these 12 posters that are around the room. When you first get to your very first one, you're going to ignore the top answer, but you can write down cow in the box. And then this is what you need to solve. Let's say you solve this and get an answer. It's going to lead you to another poster somewhere around the room. Let's say this is the answer that I get when I solve the cow problem. Then when I get to this is not the right answer, by the way. When I get to this is going to be my second problem. I'm going to write dog in the next box. And then in that box, I'm going to show my work for this problem. This problem is going to lead me to another poster somewhere around the room. Let's say I get the answer 34. So in the third box, I'm going to write chicken. And then I'm going to solve this math problem right here. So it doesn't matter where you start or at what poster you start at, but all of those animals should flow in a certain order. You will want to check your answers with your guest who is with you in the room, and if the flow of all the creatures is correct, meaning you have solved the scavenger hunt correctly, you can grab a treat. Have a great time doing the scavenger hunt. It's everything that we've worked on so far in this second part of our algebra unit.